So welcome class 5 in your EVS class. As yesterday we already have completed this chapter, blow hot and blow cold. So in the activity book I have completed the question answers. You please follow the question answers from this activity book. Okay, so write the first question, which is fill in the blank. It is given here, fill in the blank. First one is, the first question is given, the woodcutter was dash on his hand while cutting wood. It should be blow. Second one, Mia Baliste was watching the woodcutter from a, it should be distance, because he was watching him from a distance. Now the woodcutter picked up two dash and made a chula. He picked up two stones, and then the flute is a type of dash instrument. It is a musical instrument. Now spectacles can be cleaned by blowing air. So write it down. Now the second, now the questions are given here. There is some match. So see the match. The match is very simple, and you can match 1 with C, 2 with A, 3 with D, and 4 with B. So this is the perfect match you can make, because 1 is guitar, 2 is bean, 3 is dholak, and 4th one is a flute. So you can match it. Now the questions are given here. The woodcutter was blowing on his hand while cutting wood. Why? So write down the answer. Answer 1 is given here. Woodcutter was blowing on his hands while cutting wood to warm them up little. Woodcutter was blowing on his hand while cutting wood to warm them up little. Okay. Now the next question. Why was the woodcutter blowing on his hot potato? So the answer is, the woodcutter was blowing on the hot potatoes to cool it down. Again, the woodcutter was blowing on the hot potatoes to cool it down. Now the hot potatoes to cool it down. Now the third question, why did woodcutter blow the burning fire? So the question is, why did woodcutter blow the burning fire? So the answer is, the woodcutter was blowing on the fire to help it to burn, because he wanted to burn the wood which was little bit damp. So he wanted to blow it, blow the air, so this wood can be burned well. So the woodcutter was blowing on the fire to help it to burn. Now question 4 is given, what caused Mia Baliste to get confused? So the Mia Baliste become confused to see that woodcutter was blowing hot, blowing cold, and even blowing fire with the same breath. So Mia Baliste become confused to see that woodcutter was blowing hot, blowing cold, and even blowing fire with the same breath, and it was really a confusing stage for them. Now I will write answer 5. Okay, so now I will write the answer 5. Write it down. Answer 5. Question 5 is, why does a person blow on his or her spectacles to wipe them clean? So write down, the hot air that comes out the hot air that comes out from our body contains water vapor. So the hot air that comes out from our, you can write nose, mouth, so that's why I have written a body part contains water vapor, which turns into tiny droplets of water when it comes in contact with the in contact with the surface of or the glass of spectacles. When it comes in contact with the glass of spectacles, it becomes thus it becomes easy to wipe them and clean with the help of water. With the help of water and make them clean. Okay, so the hot air that comes out from our body contains water vapor, which turns into tiny droplets of water when it comes in contact with the glass of spectacles. Thus it becomes easy to wipe them with the help of water, make them clean. Okay, so this is the answer 5. Now the last answer. Last answer is, or the answer 6. Answer 6, what is question? Answer question 6 is, what is stethoscope? So stethoscope is a medical instrument. Scope is a medical instrument to listen to heartbeats. Okay, so stethoscope is a medical instrument to listen to heartbeats. So that's all for the day. So that's all for the day. I have written all the answers. Answer 5 is here. The hot air that comes and out from our body contains water vapor, which turns into tiny droplets of water when it comes in contact with the glass of spectacles. Does it become easy to wipe them with the help of water, make them clean? Answer 6. Stethoscope is a medical instrument to listen to heartbeat. And that's all for the day. You have completed all of your question answers, and write in your activity book and go through them. And next day I will take the another chapter. Okay, so goodbye, and please follow the offline video. I'm giving all the question answers. I'm trying to give the answers in the in this offline video because it is easy for you to write.